Well, hello and welcome to Jim's Kitchen. It is so great having you here in my kitchen. Well, guess what? I am not alone today. I've got a special guest. Come on in here. I've got a guest in the kitchen. This is Deena Witch. You may remember her. She has her own YouTube channel too, and she spent a whole year celebrating different holidays every day. Well, you know what? I'd love to celebrate my special friendship with Deena. I'm going to be making Amish Friendship Bread. Do you want to learn how to do it?
Yes.
Let's do it! All right, the first thing I need is some sugar. Granulated, I got it right here. I'm going to put like a couple cups of sugar, as well as some cinnamon. You just sprinkle that cinnamon in there, and then I'm going to mix that up. Here I've got 2 bread pans going. I sprayed it a little bit with cooking spray. I'm going to take this cinnamon sugar mix, sprinkle a little bit on the bottom, as well as get the sides, get a little cinnamon sugar too. That's how we start. Don't forget to preheat your oven, 325. 3 cups of buttermilk in the bowl. 2 cups of oil in the bowl. Just a touch of vanilla. And 6 eggs. And now I mix it all together. I'm adding a little more sugar and cinnamon to that mix. 3 teaspoons of baking powder. There is so much in this bread. And a teaspoon of baking soda right inside. Salt. In a big bowl, I need 4 cups of flour. And 2 packs of instant vanilla pudding. I'm going to add this liquidy goo to that flour mixture and mix it up some more. Nice. I'm going to add some oats to this for some excitement. Time to take that dough and put it in a couple loaf pans. Sprinkle a little cinnamon and sugar on top of those loaves. Now I bake this in a 325-degree oven for about 1 hour. Let's see how it looks. Oh, wow. Look at that friendship bread. Deena is back in the kitchen. And guess what? Do you know why this is called friendship bread?
Why?
Because it's enough to make 2 loaves. Meaning you get to take one home with you. So we're gonna wrap it up.
Thank you.
Just plop it on there. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's hot and ready to go. Bye, Deena. Thank you so much for coming. That was wonderful. I gotta try this bread. Amish Friendship Bread. Let's try it. Definitely has a nice crispy top to it. Great. Very moist. I love the cinnamon. I love the vanilla flavor. And the oats, a wonderful touch. What do you think of Amish Friendship Bread, Deena?
Well, let's have a slice of Jim's Kitchen's Friendship Bread. Ooh, it smells so good.
I love celebrating friendships. Deena is the best. Make sure to check out her channel. She's really fun and lovable. You are going to have to shimmy on over to Deena's channel. check my link. She's teaching me how to make a very unique, special ice cream. Thanks for joining me here on Jim's Kitchen, and I'll see you next time. You think gas prices are expensive? Have you seen chimneys? They're through the roof!